click on the shape. At the top, go to color. Here you can adjust the color of the shape to whatever you want. You can expand on the colors by clicking on See All to give you a wide range of colors here. You can also go to the color wheel, and you can also choose from the available options here by dragging on the sliding bar. You can also come down to gradient colors, so this will give you a mixture of multiple colors. Same thing, you can select See All, and you can select any sort of gradient color that has been provided to you by Canva. And if you want to create your own custom gradient color, you can come back to the color wheel, click on Add a New Color, and you can keep adding new colors to your shape. And you can also adjust the style of the gradient here. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.